What if I told you Mercedes-Benz just built a vehicle that drives like a limousine, fits like a living room, and charges faster than you can finish a cup of coffee? That's not a dream. That's the all-new, all-electric Mercedes-Benz VLE. And it just changed everything we thought we knew about luxury transportation. Now, before we dive in, let me be honest with you up front. This is the most ambitious vehicle Mercedes has built in a very long time. Does it deliver? Mostly yes, but there are a couple of things worth talking about, and we will get to all of it. Let's start outside. The first thing you notice about the VLE is that it doesn't look like anything else on the road. Mercedes threw out the rulebook and designed this from scratch using their brand new van architecture platform. The silhouette is low, tautly stretched, and surprisingly sleek, with a drag coefficient of just 0.25, which is genuinely impressive for a vehicle that seats up to 8 people. 2 power domes sit on the bonnet, giving it that unmistakable, bold presence. The grille up front has been completely reinvented. Depending on your trim level, it features an illuminated frame, a seamless full-width light strip connecting the headlights, and star-shaped daytime running lights with digital light technology. Some trims get a standing star on the bonnet, others get a central integrated star. Either way, you know what you're looking at. Out back, the Arc Design taillights are integrated directly into the aerodynamic spoiler lip, with an inverted U-shaped light strip that frames the entire rear end. It genuinely catches your eye at night. Now, here's where we have to be fair. The overall shape is still a tall box. Despite those sharp design lines, it's unmistakably a van at heart, and some traditional luxury buyers may struggle with that. But honestly, Mercedes is leaning into it, and they're doing it well. Wheel options range from 19 to 22 inches, and the ground clearance can be raised and lowered by 40 millimeters thanks to the AIRMATIC air suspension. Step inside, and this is where the VLE stops being a van and starts being something entirely different. The interior is wrapped in ambient lighting from the front row all the way to the third row, creating what Mercedes calls a wraparound effect. The Skyview panoramic roof stretches from the B-pillar all the way to the rear. It's one continuous piece of fixed glass, and it genuinely transforms the cabin. Every window, including the separately opening rear window, comes with an electric sunblind. Seating? You get up to 8 across 3 full rows, and here's where it gets genuinely clever. The manually operated roll-and-go seats have 4 integrated wheels built directly in. You can slide them forward, backward, lock them anywhere you want, and simply roll them out into your garage when you need cargo space. The electrically adjustable seats can be moved via the infotainment screen, the door panel buttons, or even the Mercedes app on your phone, almost like choreographing a ballet. 4 preset modes include baggage mode, executive mode, people and baggage, and standard. The top-of-the-range Grand Comfort seat adds wireless charging, lumbar massage, calf support, and a built-in pillow. Cargo space with all 3 rows in place stands at 795 liters, and if you pull all the manual seats out, that jumps to a massive 4,078 liters, or roughly 28 cubic feet with 3 rows up for those of us in the US. Now, is anything bad? Yes. Getting all those seats perfectly positioned for a quick grocery run isn't always effortless. And buyers looking for more traditional rear suicide doors or conventional trunk access will have to adjust their expectations. The VLE uses electric sliding doors and a separately opening rear window instead of a full tailgate by default. Now let's talk technology, because this is genuinely one of the most impressive tech packages in any production vehicle right now. The optional MBUX Superscreen spans the entire front dashboard behind a single glass surface, housing a 10.25-inch driver display, a 14-inch central touchscreen, and an optional 14-inch front passenger screen. The real showstopper, though, is the retractable panoramic screen hidden in the headliner. This 79cm or 31.3-inch display slides out on command with 8K resolution, a split-screen function, and an 8-megapixel camera for video calls. Just say, "Hey Mercedes, start the cinema experience," and the blinds close themselves as the screen appears. The optional Burmester 3D surround sound system brings 22 speakers with Dolby Atmos. The navigation runs on Google Maps, the virtual assistant blends ChatGPT, Microsoft Bing, and Google Gemini into one system with memory and multi-turn conversation. Over-the-air updates mean the car actually gets smarter over time without you ever visiting a dealership. Now, performance. The VLE launches first with the 300 electric, producing 272 horsepower from a single electric motor. That's decent, but not thrilling. It's built for comfort over speed. The real beast comes in the form of the VLE 404 MATIC Electric, which puts out 409 horsepower through all-wheel drive. That version sprints from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.4 seconds, which for a vehicle this size is genuinely quick. Both variants use a brand new 115 kilowatt-hour usable NMC battery with 800-volt architecture. Range sits at over 700 kilometers on the WLTP cycle, or roughly 434 miles. Realistically, expect EPA numbers to be somewhere in the 300-plus mile range when it eventually hits North American certification. Charging is where this thing really flexes. With 300 kilowatt DC fast charging, you can add 221 miles back in just 14 minutes. Bidirectional vehicle-to-grid charging is also included, and AC charging at 22 kilowatts is standard. One concern worth mentioning: charging station availability and 500 amp support is still limited in many markets, so that peak charging speed isn't always accessible. Towing capacity reaches 2,500 kilograms, or about 5,500 pounds, perfectly capable of handling a camper, a boat, or a horse trailer. The all-wheel drive version adds a rear motor that activates only when extra traction is needed, which also benefits the efficiency equation. Rear axle steering with a 7-degree angle reduces the turning circle to a remarkable 10.9 meters curb to curb, comparable to the Mercedes CLA. Safety is thorough. Standard equipment includes distance assist Distronic, lane change assist, collision prevention maneuvering, and a rear view camera. The sensor suite includes 10 cameras, 5 radar sensors, and 12 ultrasonic sensors, all tied into a water-cooled, high-performance computer. Up to 11 airbags are fitted, and pre-safe technology can brace the vehicle for impact before a collision even happens. What does all of this cost? Pricing officially starts at approximately $123,000, though US-specific pricing hasn't been confirmed yet. Expect the fully loaded Premium Plus trim with all the extras to push well beyond $150,000, possibly higher. Is the VLE perfect? No. It's still unmistakably a van. Pricing puts it in rare company, and not every market will have the fast charging infrastructure to make the most of it. But does it redefine luxury family travel? Absolutely. This is the future of premium transportation with 8 seats, and Mercedes just drew the line for everyone else to chase. That's the Mercedes-Benz VLE. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you buy one? Or does the van stigma hold you back?